and welcome to my channel.
Unboxing time.
Look at that.
Show me what's in there.
Look. And it's a present and
Looks like
and a
and a tag.
Tag? Let me see. What is in there? Let's find out later.
Vacay baby. What is that?
Oh, maybe there's a
Something
baby.
inside?
Maybe there's a baby. We can open it later. Oh, look at these cute little sisters.
Let me see. Can you show me the picture?
Let me see this. I can see nothing in there. I can see nothing.
Okay, next.
This is a flyer. Double a flyer. Whoa! I can see more pink in there. Wait, it's boobs. It's a pink boob. See
Put it
it?
here, okay?
Look, pink is my favorite color.
Wow.
Pink is my
Cute.
favorite cute color.
Next one.
There's more. Looks at the wrapping. You see it. You can see the dots in it and the present. Wow. Wait. Look at it. Look. It's the. Wait. Look. Is it glasses? And also a glove.
I think I already know who.
Look here, glove.
Can you put it in?
This pink is my favorite color.
I think I already know who, Maddie. Careful, because it's so tiny inside.
Wait a minute. There's some more wrapper. I can see. Wait, it's a sparkly bottle. Look, I can see more. Look at it. So nice. See a little white in there. White is my favorite color too. Look, see some more paper like we in the park and we in the park because we went to the park and the a doll. Maybe it's a different doll. Ah, my squeaky doll.
It's okay. We'll get it later.
So, look at that. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Right. It's another doll.
Aw, cute. Let me see. Show me it. Show me the face.
It looks like the one we did unbox, the one in the dancing girl.
Okay, dress her up.
Let's go. Wait, let me go and see this what this is.
What's in there? I don't think something is there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Can you open it?
Yeah, there is more. Wait.
Uh-oh.
So Rabbi doll is still more surprise.
That's nothing?
There is. Oh, it's a cute baby.
Oh, there's a baby. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's cute.
Look at cute, small.
Can you put it here so I can see?
It's super cute. Look like a cute baby.
Okay, dress her up now. Dress her up.
Yeah, feel it. Feel it, Mommy. Mommy, feel her fur. How I put the clothes in. Wait, dude, there's some